bird said, now fly, fly, fly. But the baby bird wanted to cry, cry, cry.
Mama bird said, it'll be okay. You'll be all right.